Alright, I just got this lightsaber today from a good friend and owner of Hangtown Antiques in Placerville. And I traded him some old antique silverware and a CD radio I had for it. And I'm trying to identify what it is, which one. I believe it's the Master Replica Anakin Skywalker model. It's really cool. The stand says Master Replica 2005, but the saber on the handle says Master Replica 2007 Lucasfilms on the handle, down by the speaker. I don't know much about them. First one I've got that was more not a Hasbro cheapy 2-footer. This is the full length, and it works really good. It has good sound. Lots of cool color. And pretty cool. If anybody can identify it and tell me what it is and what they know about it, I'd appreciate it. So let me know. Thanks for watching.